Being a little bit crowded in my 20-foot garage, I decided to give myself a little bit more working space and move the boat outdoors.
One thing that is becoming clear is that I need to be able to move this boat around because I just can't get in here and work. So what I've done is I've purchased some plywood and I've cut it wide enough to cross underneath the strongback and really hold all the frames together. So I'm gonna put this plywood under it, and then I bought some cast, and I'm gonna put, I don't know, 8 sets of wheels, maybe 12 under this thing, so I can pull this thing out of the garage on a sunny day and work on it. I'm just gonna try to connect this board with 3/4 inch piece of plywood.
The first set of wheels I put on the boat almost 2 years ago were just not strong enough. So I added new casters, 12 of them. To ensure that the casters were placed directly below the 4x4 beams, I drilled a hole right at the corner of each beam, and then I placed the caster to be underneath the beam.
Inside edge, and have one bolt going through into the board and one going on the outside. And I tend to start with a bit that I can just put in quickly to get everything held in place.
Once all 12 wheels were installed, it was time to lower the boat. Pulling the boat out of the garage was relatively easy. But notice that the driveway has a mild downward slope. I again had to rely on the hoist to bring the boat back into the garage. As you can see on the bottom of the boat, we're ready to start planking. Till next time, cheers.